What the heck is up, besties? Today, in this little video or whatever, it ain't no vlog because it ain't like a, but in this video or whatever, we are going to be packing my bag for church camp, and it is going to be so litty, okay? So basically, it is 11:35 at night, and I'm on a sugar rush, so yeah. And there's my bag behind behind me. I'm gonna fill out this stool. We don't gotta mind that. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, it is currently 2:50 at night. It's like a 3-hour later update. I sat there and watched Stranger Things with my mom and brother for like 3 hours. But now I'm gonna show y'all what I pack in my bag for church camp. And I have a checklist, so don't mind when I look to the side and stuff because I'm checking off stuff as I pack. Alright, so I got my Bible, my pen, and my journal all sitting right there. This is the journal I'm bringing, this is the pen I'm bringing, and this is the Bible I'm bringing. So I checked that off the list, and next I'm doing clothes. So for clothes, in the next clip, I'm going to do what I have, where it's from, and how I'm packing it. Alright, so mind you, I'm going up there on Sunday, and I'm just going to have my outfit on that I'm wearing on Sunday, and that day doesn't even count. So then Monday is going to be my first day, and for Monday, I'm wearing these black Lululemon shorts, this purple Southern Mars shirt. Yes, it's wrinkly. I'm bringing wrinkle release with me, don't worry. And of course, just my undergarments. Alright, so after I get it all together, I literally set it in a Ziploc bag, label it with Monday, and then I just set it in my bag. I get all the air out of it, and then I just set it in my bag. So I'm going to show y'all that. Alright, it is now in a bag labeled Monday, and it is going to be set on my floor until I get all my clothes, and then I'm going to set them all neatly in my bag. Alright, for Tuesday, I am wearing these gray Lululemon shorts with a bluish Southern Sash shirt. So I'm just gonna fold all that up neat and nice and put it in my bag labeled Tuesday. And then, like I said last time, I'm just gonna set it on my floor with the Monday outfit, and then I will set it all in the bag after I get everything folded and put up. Alright, here's my bag labeled Tuesday, and it is now going on my floor. And next, I'm gonna show you Wednesday. Alright, for Wednesday, I'm wearing these camo Lulu speed up shorts that I showed in my mini haul the other day with this cheer shirt that I got at a cheer competition. I will show you them in a bag in about 2 seconds. Alright, this is the Wednesday outfit, and it is going on the floor. So next is Thursday. Okay, on Thursday, we are ending it out with a big bang because it's the last day of church camp, which kind of sucks because I really do enjoy church camp. It's kind of like a getaway while learning about Jesus, so. I am wearing these bluish, blackish, grayish, whitish, whatever you want to call it, Lulu speed up shorts with a, that's disgusting, a hairball, Lulu Align shirt. So I will show you that in a Thursday bag, and then we're gonna head to Friday. Alright, here we go. She is ready for the floor. Next is Friday, which is leggings and a t-shirt. Alright, here we go. So for Friday, I'm wearing this very cute Arkansas shirt from Southern Threads. And Southern Threads is a local boutique. I don't know if it's anywhere else, but where I live. And then these Lulu leggings. I'm really not sure what they are. Like, I'm not really sure. Like, there's like Align, Base Pace, Wonder Under, whatever. I don't really know what these are. But, yeah. I'm going to fold those in my Friday bag, and then I'm going to show how I pack everything. Alright, here we are. Last outfit of the week. Time for the floor. Alright, next I'm going to show you all the extra clothes, towels, and other things I'm packing. Alright, extra clothes wise, we're bringing extra undergarments, of course, which includes that and this. And then 2 extra pairs of shorts, 2 sweatshirts. This one's from my cheer, and this one's from Hobby Lobby. A bunch of extra socks, of course. And I think that is it for the clothes portion. Alright, the next portion of this parking. That was cute. The next portion of this packing session is shoes. So I'm, of course, packing those in a separate bag. This is a backpack I got from my old church camp I used to go to. Shout out to Salt and Archie. Love them forever. I'm bringing a pair of old Birkenstocks. Another pair of old Birkenstocks, and my shoe is connected to it. And like you saw, old Air Maxes, because who wants to get their shoes dirty? But yeah, so I'm gonna set all those to the side, and then I'm gonna move to the next section. And I'm sorry that I'm stuttering so much, but it's 3:13 in the morning, and I'm very tired. Alright, next is laundry baskets or bags or whatever you want to call it. And you want to know what I'm bringing? 2 trash bags. Because if you're bougie enough to bring real laundry baskets or real laundry sacks to a church camp that you're going to have nasty, dirty, raunchy clothes going in, you're just bougie, and you're too bougie for me, so do not talk to me. Anyways, yeah, I'm bringing my 2 trash bags and I'm rolling with it. And why do I keep moving my hands like that? That's disgusting. Okay. Next portion. Alright, the next thing is literally just towels. And I'm bringing 2 bath towels. And I have a separate laundry basket for these. Laundry thing for these. Because they're going to be wet. And that's kind of nasty to have with your clothes. So, alright, next is bedding. And I'm bringing this very cute twin size polka dot bedding. That's sheets. And then I'm not bringing a comforter because it's always hot in those rooms. The air conditioners are always broke. And a fan does not keep me cold enough. So I'm taking my 2 snuggle blankets and my pillow. And that's about it for my sleeping situation. Alright. So for the hygiene portion of things, I am bringing whitening toothpaste, a toothbrush, deodorant, Degree's my favorite, this is brand new, and then 2 different perfumes, and then for like the hair portion, I'm bringing a hairbrush, a curling wand, a curling iron, and a hairdryer. Because honestly, I probably won't use all that, but some girls will and they might need it, so I'm just gonna be there. And then I'm of course bringing lotion and sunscreen for my face, and also just a bunch of extra makeup and stuff that I really don't need, but it makes me feel confident, so I'm bringing it. And I might show all that in a different clip. Alright, about the extra clip I was saying about putting in here about all the makeup I'm taking. I am taking this cheap concealer, this beauty blender that's absolutely disgusting, but who really cares? It's mine and it's only going on my face. And then eyelash curler, chapstick, highlighter, a highlighter brush, lip gloss, mascara, Tweety, blush, face shaver, sunscreen, blush brush, and more Tweeties for my hair. So yeah. Alright, and if you're wondering what's on the other side of my cavu bag, I have lots of products, you know? And ibuprofen. Always stay stocked up, girls. Aha, so funny. Anyways, yeah. So I'm going to pack up my cabby bag and I will be back. Well, I had all these really cute fast transitions with my packing, and then I accidentally said something, and then I had to delete all my clips, and now I'm just really depressed. So yeah, here's my bedding. It's packed. Here's my clothes, my extra clothes, and my 2 pair of bougie sunglasses. They're back too. So yeah, catch me in the next clip. Alright, so now we are packing all of this. Oh, that was loud. Oh yeah, we're done. Okay, when I said we were done, I really meant we were done with this bag. Still have a whole other bag to pack. But I'm gonna add this K-tape to this bag because I'll be having some knee pains. I don't even know what's wrong with my knee. Don't even ask. But yeah, so I'm gonna add this to this bag and I'm gonna close it and it's gonna be done. Alright. We're officially done with the first bag, and let me just tell you, this thing is jumbo sized, okay? So on to the next. All right, in this tiny little bag of my brother's, I'm going to be packing my bathroom stuff, my towels, my dirty clothes bags, and my shoes, and anything else that needs to be packed. So let's get into it, boo. All right, first we are doing these 2 towels, these 2 pairs of sunglasses that wouldn't fit in that bag. Actually, no, I'm putting these in a separate bag because I'm scared that they're going to just break in half. So, those 2 towels, the soap I'm using, which I didn't tell y'all the soaps I'm using because literally I'm using the Goat Kinley Smith stuff. And Kinley, when you watch this, let me just tell you, girl, you really a full-on goat because I'm using your soap. And that's just that. Okay? Y'all should definitely go follow her on Instagram. I will put her Instagram in the description. She really the goat for real. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Okay, so I got my bathroom towels, my bathroom soaps, and my dirty clothes bags right here. I'm gonna zip that up and go to my shoes. Alright, so for the shoes portion of this, I'm doing my 2 pairs of nasty, ugly Birkenstocks. And then, like I said, my Air Maxes. Literally, okay, don't even play because one of these are literally popped. But I'm just bringing them because my mom is scared that I'm not going to have tennis shoes, which I don't ever wear tennis shoes. Anyways, so, yeah. I'm just going to pack them just to satisfy her. Okay, so we got the shoes packed, shoved in there. Now we are going to put the journal and the Bible right here. And then I'm going to zip up the whole bag. And I think I will be almost completely done packing. So yeah, guess what? We're done. We got that bag. We got this giant masterpiece. And we've got the cabby bag. But honestly, we can't forget the most important part because I almost forgot. First of all, we still have got to pack these 2 pairs of sunglasses and wrinkle release and a lint roller. Because if we forget that, we're done for. We are screwed. So, let me just get all these big necessities, throw them somewhere in this cabby bag, and then I think we will be done packing. And there goes my sunglasses. Alright, I managed to find places for everything but the sunglasses. So I think I'm just going to wear 1 pair on my head at check-in. Or I'll just wear both pairs on my head at check-in. And then I set one on my little dresser thing with my snacks and stuff. Which I didn't show all my snacks because I haven't bought them yet. But I'm going to have like a bunch of chips because I love chips. But yeah. That is most likely the end of this vlog. I will see if I need to add anything else. To end off this video, I just want to say thank you so much for over like 300 views on my last video, because I know that I do not have 300 friends. I have about 2 friends, and that's like Libby and Hank. Much love to y'all, by the way, because Hank called my YouTube channel a goat the other day. Whatever, he told me I was the goat the other day, and it really just made me feel so great. So thank you so much. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching this all the way through, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, besties. Love y'all forever and always.